Hello, thanks for
Hi.
coming to this video. So we're going to talk about compost. As you guys asked a lot of questions and Instagram questions and answer section before, and now I'm here with my friend Alfie.
Hi, nice to see you guys.
Yeah. So we're going to talk about compost.
Okay, Gita, so compost is one of the interesting topics. So anyway, before we go too far, talk about compost. What is compost actually?
Yeah. So basically, because we are beginners, for an easy language, compost is a decay organic matter
Okay.
that comes from the ground will be back to the ground. That sounds so
So,
deep.
yeah.
But that's the reality. Whatever comes from the ground, you can get it back to the ground.
Okay.
And when you put items together, they break down into a very rich nutrient that can fertilize your plants.
It's very interesting actually, and one of the top question, how to begin?
Yeah, a lot of people, right,
Yeah.
asking for it. So basically, it depends on where you live. Some people live in apartment. Some people live in the house
House,
with
yeah.
backyard.
Big.
Some people live in house without backyards.
Okay.
So basically, what you do in apartment is first you can find a curbside compost service that will pick it up once a week. So usually they have a certain day, like probably Thursday or Friday, depends on your area. They will pick up your compost. So you just dump your compost liner, bam, to your curbside, and then
Okay.
they deal it. They
Okay.
deal with it. Yeah.
Okay.
Or even you can check with the private company that do compost together. Like a cool, our followers share.
Okay.
There's a website called sharewaste.com where you can find where's the nearest compost place.
Oh,
yeah.
that's cool. Yeah.
It's really cool. And then second, if you live in an apartment, so you wanna make sure you have a potted plants that you can have
Oh.
nutrients for.
For food.
Yeah, for their
the
food. But
I
if
see.
but if you don't have that, you can also donate. You know?
Yeah, but it's gonna be hard because if you live in apartment, like I could say you don't have backyard or garden, or sometimes, especially in winter time or fall time, like you cannot open your patio because it's gonna
Yeah.
be too
Too cold or snowy.
So how to avoid the smell?
So to avoid the smell, basically you can put your compost bin outside and you can lock it. So raccoon and other creatures
Okay.
and other animals cannot take it away.
It's from outside.
Yeah,
right?
if it's outside, but if it's inside,
Yeah.
you can have a charcoal. Like our compost bin, we have this charcoal.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah,
it's
it's really
amazing.
cool.
Yeah.
So you can take it out and you can
And you
even
can-
rinse it.
Oh, you can clean this, right?
Yeah, so you can open and then you can clean
Wow.
it. And charcoal will blocks any odors.
Or smell.
Yeah, so it's really helpful and easy to clean.
Yeah.
If you know someone who's doing gardening,
Gardening.
you can always give your compost to them, or you can sell it on Craigslist. Sometimes people do that.
That is interesting because you can make money from compost. This is great idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in the case if like live in big garden or have a backyard, how is like the way to
compost?
To compose.
So if you have a backyard, that's good, right? Basically, for beginners to start out, compost is about balance. So you want to have brown and green materials together.
Wow.
So green is rich in nitrogen and it's like a food scrap
Okay,
that
I
you're
see.
not cooked with.
Yeah.
So ask me some food scrap. What's on your mind?
Oh my god.
Like banana peel. Is it food scrap? Green or brown?
No.
Banana peel is green.
Green.
It's a food scrap. It doesn't have to looks green.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Yeah.
Yeah, bananas is mostly
Like a
yellow green.
yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the green doesn't mean has to be green, but it means like it's a veggie or fruits, something that you don't cook. It's like bones. It's not green,
Yeah.
but banana peel is green.
Green.
A garden and stuff like that. Oh, also leaves and branch and twigs that's count as brown as well.
Okay.
And every 2 weeks, you might want to check your mix. Don't forget to mix it with water and some soil, and they're gonna blend together, and then every 2 weeks you can see how they're going.
And do you think about paper towel? It could be compost or no?
Oh, the toilet paper.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's been pro and cons about composting them. So basically, they can with a but something, So toilet paper you can compost them, and comes with terms and condition.
Okay.
If it's um, plain,
Mm-hmm.
like nothing, you didn't use for anything, you can compost them for
Okay.
sure. But if it's oily, if you wipe oil with it, if you
Okay.
wipe grease and grime, you can't.
We can.
Yeah,
okay.
because the oil not gonna break on your soil.
Okay, I see.
But if you only wipe water, or even if you wipe water, or if you wipe urine,
Mm-hmm.
or if you wipe something, even poop, sorry,
Yeah.
you can compost them for sure.
Oh, that's interesting. So
Yeah.
I mean, like, paper towel is in conditioner, right?
Yeah, and conditional. So if you clean something, let's say you clean mirror,
Mhm.
or you clean anything with chemical solution, also don't do that, because it's gonna ruin your compost.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so it depends. It's really
Depend
depends.
how do you use. Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow our Instagram and subscribe us. Bye bye.
Bye.